Hi friends, today we're learning about consonant sounds and we're going to see the letters of the alphabet that are regarded as consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are the sounds you make with your mouth when you experience some obstruction either with your lips or your teeth or a combination of both. So unlike vowel sounds that we make without any obstruction, consonant sounds are made with some form of obstruction. So the first set of sounds we're going to look at, or alphabets, are B, C, and D. B, K, D. These three sounds are made with some form of obstruction to our mouth. B, K, D. The second set of consonant sounds we're going to look at are F, G, and H. F, G, G. These three are also consonant sounds, and consonant sounds occur at the beginning or the end of words. The third set of sounds we're looking at are J, K, and L. So J, K, L, J, K, L. The fourth set of sounds are M, N, and P. So P, P. And if you pronounce these words, you will see that in some cases your lips are together and your tongue is at the roof of your mouth. The fifth set of consonant sounds are Q, R, and S. Qu, R, S, Qu, R, S, Qu, R, S. The sixth set of consonant sounds are T, V, and W. T, V, W, T, V, W, T, V, W. The last set of consonant sounds are X, Y, and Z. X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z.